In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display all the attachments in a particular Gmail email thread. I'm sure many of you have wondered how to streamline your email experience and easily locate those pesky attachments. Don't worry, because today I'm going to guide you through the whole process step by step. So, let's dive right in and make your Gmail usage more efficient and organized. First off, make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. Once you're in, open the Gmail conversation or email thread that contains the attachments you want to view. This might seem basic, but it's always good to start from the beginning for clarity's sake. Now, when you have that email thread open, usually, attachments are displayed right at the top of your message. They should be visible as small rectangular files, often showing file icons or previews depending on the file type. Next, you want to click on the icon of the attachment to open it. If there are multiple attachments, they'll be lined up at the top. Simply click the one you wish to open, and it should load in your browser or download immediately, depending on your browser settings. But if you're looking to view more details, or perhaps download them in bulk, that's where you need to pay a little more attention. When you hover over the attachment, you might notice some options appearing, such as download or save to drive. The download button usually appears as a downward arrow icon, and clicking it will download the attachment to your computer. Remember to check your browser's download settings to know where your files are being saved. Alternatively, if you prefer to save it to your Google Drive, you can click the Save to Drive icon that often looks like a rectangular button with the Google Drive icon. This method keeps your attachments readily accessible and neatly stored in Google's cloud storage. In cases where there are numerous attachments in a single thread, you might be wondering how to get a list view of these files. Well, Gmail doesn't exactly give a straightforward list view within the thread. However, Google does offer an email feature that allows searching for emails specifically containing attachments. To do this, navigate to your Gmail search bar and type in has attachment, along with any other keyword that identifies your email. This trick is particularly useful when you have a clogged inbox and are sure there are attachments lurking within an email somewhere. And there you go. You've learned how to efficiently list and manage your attachments in any Gmail email thread. Remember that these small steps can make a big difference in streamlining your digital communication. As always, practice makes perfect, so try this out with a few different threads and see how seamlessly you can manage and view your email attachments. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.